this video, I'm going to share the easiest way that I found to record your screenshots and send them to whoever you want to send them to, like YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want to use them for. I'll show you how easy that is to do. The easiest software that I found that does the screen recordings is this one right here, the screen recorder. It's very easy to use, and you can actually, once you record the screen, you can delete it or you can modify it. You can send it to whatever you want to send it to for editing. I sent mine to UCut Pro, and it's like a video editor. And then once it's there, I can modify it and send it right to YouTube or wherever I want to send it. Very easy to do. So you just go to the Play Store and search for Screen Recorder Unlimited, and then just install that. I believe it's free. I don't think I paid for it. I don't know if you can upgrade. I tried to upgrade it because it's such a good program. And then once you experiment with that, you can do lots and lots of screen recording videos, and for whatever your need is for that. You can submit them to YouTube, think like TikTok, for instance, whatever you want to use them for. I just use them for YouTube, and it's working out great. So I hope that helps, and good luck to you. Bye-bye.